Hey y'all, are y'all ready for a thrift haul? I have a collective thrift haul. It was not all purchased in one day, but I finally have like enough to show you. So I thought I would share that with y'all. Again, some's for me, some's for the booth. And two things that I thrifted, I've already flipped one and styled it, and I've already styled the other items too. So I'll show y'all that at the end of this video. But let's just get started. First things first, this is for the booth. This is a cute little, looks like a drum, but it's a planter. I'm not sure where it came from, probably Hobby Lobby or somewhere, but I'm thinking about repainting this and putting it in my booth for Christmas in July. I think it would be really cute with a little faux tree in it. I think it would be adorable, so that's the plan for that. Now, I purchased this. You gotta look past the color. I'm gonna paint this. And I'm thinking about, I may use this on my porch for my spring decor. We shall see. It would really, I don't think I could make my money back on it, doing it for the booth with how much work I'm gonna have to put into it. But I can use it on my front porch for my spring decor. So, got that. I paid $4.99 for that, but I love it. And I can just see some cute little potted plants in it. Painting this a pretty color. They did a horrible paint job on this, by the way. I purchased these two books. They were 99 cents a piece. These at the Goodwill. This came from the American Thrift Store, and the little drum came from Goodwill. And then the rest of it is all American Thrift Store. But got these two books. I love them. This one says, "Goodbye, My Lady." Look at the beautiful illustrations. And it's got even got a little note. I love it when they have little notes written in them. And this one says, "When you read this book, please return to Bessel McRae, Belmont, Mississippi." And the copyright date on this book, the original was 1941, and then it's got a copyright of 1941 and then 1954. So I'm sure this is the 1954 book, but I just think it's so pretty. And I like this dark maroon color. This fits in really well with my decor. And then this one, when I opened it, I had to buy it. This one is First the Blade. It's red. I love it. I'll use it like around Christmas and my summer decor. But look, y'all. Is that not gorgeous? I love the illustration. And it was copyright in 1950. And I just know one day I'm going to buy one of these old books, and I'm going to be doing this, and I'm just going to have $100 just pop out. I'm just kidding. But anyway, got these for 99 cents a piece, and I love them, so be keeping those. These two items I picked up for the booth. These sconces, I have a lot of good luck selling these kinds of things, so I picked them up. I pick them up when they're very inexpensive so I can sell them very inexpensive. And I found one and was just going to get the one, went around a couple more aisles and found the other one. So be sure you look, because people will pick things up and just lay it down, or people when they're pricing it are just putting it out different places sometimes. So, okay, I got this. Y'all, I love this so much. I have nowhere for it, so I am going to put it in the booth. But let me take this off, because they put the price sticker right on top, but I see that they covered up somebody's price sticker. Anyway, look at this beautiful cross stitch. And I'm thinking about, I probably want to paint this frame. I'm probably going to paint the frame black. I think it would just make all this pop more, and it would kind of bring out the black here. But is that not adorable? I love it. And I wish I had somewhere for it, but I don't. Maybe it'll sell in the booth. Usually the little cross-stitch pieces will sell. I actually picked this up thinking maybe I could use this frame, but now that I'm looking at it, it won't work. But I do like this picture. I don't know what it is about this picture, but I love it, and I love this frame. And it looks like it has an old Kroger sticker was on the back. I have a spot that I may try this and see how it looks. If I don't like it, then I may put it in the booth. We'll see. I found this adorable little towel. I'm probably going to wash it and put it on my dishwasher. I just think it is so cute and so country. It is just the cutest little thing. I love it. And it was like 99 cents. So, can't beat that for a cute little towel. Okay, I found this candle. It's from Walmart. I paid $1.99 for it. It's lemonade stand. It's this candle, and it had barely been used, but it smells so good, so fresh. So I did pick this up. I found this little crock. Nothing on it. I will probably put this in the booth with a little plant in it. Yeah, so I think it's adorable. I picked this up, and I have so many ideas for it, and I don't know which one, how I'm going to end up using it, but I picked this up. I know it's not vintage, but I love how beat up and rough it looks. Somebody had left cardboard in the bottom, probably so the stuff wouldn't fall through, which that's fine. I paid $3.99 for it, which I thought was an amazing price. And part of me is wanting to use it to put my potatoes and onions in my cabinet. And then part of me was wanting to put it in my booth and put like a little sign and have like items, word it somehow where it would be like, you know, those extra things that I have in the bags that I don't donate back, but I don't want them. I can put them in there and have like dollar items or something like that. I don't know. I'm probably going to end up using it for my potatoes and onions, but I really, really love this basket so much. Okay, I have a couple of bagged items, and one I think is going to take y'all down memory lane if you're my age and a little bit older, but first things first. First bag was $1.99. There's some things, there's a frame in it that I want, and then there's some in here I'll probably give Delana. Y'all know she's beating me up over that one doggone frame that I decided to keep, that I thrifted. Okay, I bought it because I wanted this little frame. Look how adorable. That's ceramic. And it's chipped, but that's okay. I'm going to do some wax over that, put a cute little print in that. I love it. Look at the detail. So cute. Then this I'll probably give Delana because she's got a collection of little heart frames. This one don't have, oh yeah, it has glass behind it, but it's got this. And then she'll probably get this little frame and this little frame. Pass them along to her, but I wanted it for this little frame. I think it's so cute. And I'll just add it to like my gallery wall in my bedroom. Okay, are y'all ready to walk down memory lane? Are y'all ready? Okay. So I picked this bag up and I was really intrigued in this, but I'm going to show you what took me down memory lane. I paid $2.99 for this bag. First things first, I got it for these for like the patriotic decor, these little stars. The little star tins. I thought these would be so cute sitting around. I may put some in my booth and then keep some. Oh, this is a little copper mold. It's got a little hanger on it. How cute is that? But this is why I initially got the bag, but then this kind of sealed the deal and why I was like, okay, I'm definitely going to get it. Hold on, I got to get it all fixed up. I don't know if this is actually Tupperware, but hold on. Okay, I think I know why this was in the bag, but this reminded me of how many of y'all grew up eating popsicles made out of these. I don't think this is a Tupperware brand, We grew up, my mama would make Kool-Aid. She would fill these up with Kool-Aid, put them in the freezer, and then they would make a popsicle, and you would pop it out of this, and your popsicle would be on this, and we grew up eating them. And then this, it has all 6 of them, has the 6 lids, and the little things that go in it. Oh, it is Tupperware. It is Tupperware. How many of y'all grew up eating them? You put the little piece in the, these are brand new. I don't think these have ever been used. Ever, because they're like in mint condition. Anyway, this took me down memory lane. I cannot believe these are actually Tupperware. I don't know if you can see it on the side, but it says Tupperware. It is in mint condition, y'all. Mint condition, like brand new condition. It looks like it may be missing one of these is the only thing. But it has everything else. So you could have 5 popsicles. Unless I drop one. No. Yeah, it's got them all with the exception of one of these pieces. But how cool is that? That is so cool. I'm so excited. I think I'm going to make me some popsicles. But those were the best little doggone popsicles. And I remember being a kid and they looked like they were just so big. Anyway, this was in the bag. And now I'm going to show y'all an item I purchased. I purchased this huge button, and it came from Hobby Lobby. And when I seen it, I was like, I'm going to add that to my laundry room with the scissors that I purchased. But I'm going to make it look like a brass button because I have that whole big, let's see, what is it? I have 2 jars of brass buttons. So that's what I did. I'm going to insert that clip and show you how I have it styled. Is that not adorable? Okay, and now I'm going to take you to the dining room to show you. I went in Goodwill one day, and the only thing I purchased, they had 3 little, I'm going to call them butter pats. I don't know if that's what they really are, but that's what they reminded me of. And they were, for all 3 of them, they were taped together. They were $1.99, and I just could not leave them. And I knew I had the perfect spot for them. So I'm going to go in there and show you where I put those. Okay, here's 2 of those little butter pats. I call them butter pats. They were tiny. This is that little, one of those little books I thrifted. I left it the green color. I thought it kind of broke up some of the blue. And then here is the other one in that little drawer. And then that's that little salt or pepper shaker that I thrifted the other day. That's what I did with it. And that's what it looks like. An item that I thrifted. Let me show y'all. It was hiding behind me, but look at this. I thrifted this beautiful pine garland for $6. It looks so real, y'all. And I love using these in the fall. I love using them at Christmas. This past Christmas, I had thrifted one and cut it up and use it for those planters over my bed. So you don't necessarily have to use them just as a garland. You can use them for so many different things, but for $6, when one like this would easily cost you, what, $30 at Hobby Lobby? It looks so real, y'all. So real. So, yeah. I love it. All right, y'all. That is it. That is my thrift haul. I have got to get busy and get some stuff done for the booth. We still have a couple thrift flips to do. I still have my little rabbit, this little fella. I'm gonna work on him. I'm gonna be painting that little, this. I'm gonna paint that. So got a couple things to work on. So yeah, that's gonna do it for me today. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this thrift haul, and maybe I could take you down memory lane with this one. I don't know, y'all. This just brings back so many memories when I was a kid. Nothing like playing outside, getting hot, and mama made you some popsicles. The simple things in life. Kids today will never understand the simple things in life like we did. I love y'all, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.